Welcome to Math Academy.
So 360, okay? And now we want to pick two numbers that go into 360. Now we could do, 2, again, because we know 360 is a even number. But I'm also recognizing right now that 360 is divisible by 10 as well. So let's do that. Let's do 10 times 36. Okay, now 10 is composite, so it's not a prime number, and 36 is also composite, so it's not a prime number. So we have to keep breaking both of those down. All right, and 2 times 5 gets us 10. Okay, and now 2 is prime, 5 is prime, and then for 6, we can do, you can do 18 times 2, or you can do 9 times 4, or you can do 6 times 6. It's up to you. You'll get the same answer no matter what. 6 times 6, great. And 6 is not prime, it's composite, so we're going to keep going with both 6's, and we'll get 2 times 3, and 2 times 3. And let's circle both of those to be consistent here. All right, I like circling the prime numbers when the tree stops, because when I go back and I'm doing the prime factorization part, it's really helpful to like really see what numbers I'm working with here. All right, so let's go in here. So the prime factorization of 360 is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. And if we put it all together, we're going to get, see the 3 of them, that's 2 to the third times 3 to the second times 5, or you can write 5 to the first, either one is the same thing. So the prime factorization of 360 is 2 to the third times 3 to the second times 5 to the first. All right.